Seasonal greetings to everyone.
We are the students of grade 6 from
Vishwajyoti International Public School. We are very happy to say that we prepared robot called as reverse bumper car.
We know that you are eagerly waiting for it. Without delaying it, we can see now.
When the bumper car robot hits a wall, it bounces back. This happens because the wall exerts a force that is equal and opposite to the force exerted by the bumper car robot on the wall.
Not only this, bumper car robot is also used in military rehabilitation, military and police trainings.
Bumper cars demonstrate Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction.